Weapons are a tool for achieving results. This result can be hunting, defense, sports, or simple and safe fun. The first thing a beginner needs is to choose a good shooting instructor who teaches gun handling in a methodical and safe way. You can check out the description of this video below for the links to all these products. And don't forget to like and subscribe to your daily list of best outdoor product reviews. Now let's have a look at the top 5 best handguns for beginners in 2022. If you want to save a few dollars, we say check out the Springfield XD-S, which deservedly won the title of the best affordable handgun for beginners available on the market in 2022. Springfield XDS holds a set of 7 bullets, while an expanded capacity magazine holding 9 bullets is also available. Right now, when attacks involving more than one attacker are on the rise, multiple bullets are a good thing. The total length of the XDS remains at 6.25 inches. It's less than 1 inch wide and only about 4.5 inches long, with a 7-bullet magazine in place. This makes the weapon small enough that it's not completely visible in the pocket, on the ankle, or in the holster under the shirt. The trigger guard is generously cut off, leaving enough space for the gloved finger. The front of the guard is grooved to provide a non-slip surface for the index finger of the hand that supports if the shooter uses that grip style. The forged steel slider is finished in melanite, a hard metal treatment that's resistant to wear and corrosion. Corrosion resistance is a very important feature because the spare gun is often carried close to the body where it's exposed to sweat. For the listed price, we're thoroughly impressed. The next product we'll talk about is Sig Sauer P320, also known as the best value handgun for beginners on the market in 2022. We're looking at a semi-automatic modular pistol manufactured by Sig Sauer, making a significant step forward from the Sig Sauer P250, which uses a percussion needle mechanism instead of a double-action hammer system. The P320 can be mounted in 9x19mm parabellum, 357 caliber SIG, 40 caliber S&V, and 45 caliber ACP, and can be easily converted from one caliber to another. The P320 is designed to be double-sided, has a hold lever on both sides of the slider, and a useful reversible magazine trigger. Also included in the mix are all the other operation controls designed to be operated on both sides. The firearm can be disassembled in the field without tools. In addition, the gun can also be disassembled in the field without pulling the trigger, which is an additional safety feature that prevents reckless use. Among the additional advantages, we have the indicator of the loaded chamber, as well as the ambidextrous thumb safety, which will further improve gun management. The P320 has proven to be an extremely reliable handgun for civilian, police, and military use. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. Up next, we present you the Beretta PX4 Storm, which proudly carries the title of the best premium handgun for beginners in 2022. A key point in the development of this series, the PX4 Storm, sees the designers crafting a fully adaptable handgun to meet the needs and capabilities of advanced users. The general combination of different options of individual units makes this pistol more of a sporting weapon than a military or self-defense device, which does not mean you can't use it in any of those domains. However, the look can be deceptive, and the Beretta PX4 Storm pistol surpasses many of its similarly priced competitors. The ability to change the dimensions of the handle is the main feature of adjusting this model. Beretta PX4 Storm pistol has 4 variants of trigger mechanisms, and you're bound to find your perfect match. Under the barrel within the weapon is a slot for a compact flashlight or laser marker. Finally, we come to the automatic aspect of the Beretta PX4 Storm pistol. The automation of this weapon is built according to the scheme of using the jerk energy in the short flow of the barrel, so the piercing of the barrel is blocked when the barrel rotates around its axis. Such a solution gives this model many advantages. The most important advantage is that the jerking moment stretches longer than when the pipe is blocked. If you have money for this beast, we say go for it. Up next, the Smith Wesson M&P M2.0 rightly won the silver medal for today and the title of the runner-up best handgun for beginners in 2022. The second generation M&P M2.0 takes the classic Smith & Wesson pistol to the next level with major improvements in ergonomics and performance. The new M2.0 comes with an optional thumb guard. It's easy to manipulate the thumb of the shooting hand, and the model also comes with 4 handling inserts for small and large hands to better suit more users. Also included, an extended stainless steel chassis built into a polymer receiver. The chassis makes the gun stiffer to reduce bending and torque when firing. There are changes you can see, but there are also changes you can hear and feel. M2.0 uses a new trigger. The new trigger is sharper and has a tactile and sonic reset. It feels more consistent. The Smith & Wesson M&P M2.0 is equipped with 5-inch stainless steel pipes. but is also available in a 4.25-inch model. High grip on the M&P means that the axis of the barrel is close to the opening, which means that the gun is more comfortable to shoot with faster recovery of the target because the barrel rotates less in your grip. Good stuff. A thumbs up from here. And now, here we are with the long-awaited gold medal and title of Best Overall Handgun for Beginners available on the market in 2022. And the winner is the Glock 19 Gen 5. We're looking at a new generation of a handgun that combines the staple Glock vibe and reliability with the latest design improvements to improve durability, accuracy, and overall performance. Useful modifications improve the shooter's experience in situations of high stress, when fractions of a second are critical. The gun comes with a new barrel that uses a new cut that will improve the accuracy. Furthermore, this model eliminates digital intersections on the handle, which will provide users with a more comfortable grip and adaptability to the personal needs of each shooter individually. We must not forget the double lever to stop the slider. Furthermore, the new exclusive Glock NDLC sliding finish is quite stronger and more durable than on the previous model. The instant disassembly without removing the key is still one of the strengths of the iconic Glock pistol. Including all the models, Glock 19 Gen 5 has a capacity of 15 bullets and is compatible with Glock 17 magazines, which is especially liked by users. Overall, this product delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the best handguns for beginners in 2022. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.